Hi, and welcome to our series of video tutorials for the web console. Today, I'm going to show you how to add an individual contact to your database marketing account and give you the information you need to understand and manage their contact card. There are videos in the knowledge base that show you how to upload your contacts using the bulk import function, but this time I'm going to add my new contact manually. Start by logging into the web console. Click on Database Marketing in the top navigation panel. Click on Create New and then select Contact. When the page refreshes, you'll see a form that needs filling in. This form is a combination of the standard fields and custom fields we have previously created. For more information on creating custom fields, watch our video tutorial for setting up your database. Any field that is preceded by this vertical bar is a required field, which means that I cannot save my contact until information has been added to this field. All of the fields we have here are relatively self-explanatory, except for password. In this field, I'll add a password that this contact will use to log into their account and change their contact details, or log into pages on my website that are password protected so that only contacts like this one can access them. In the subscriptions box, I'll choose which subscription groups I want to add this contact to. Now that I'm done filling in the card, I'll select Go back to the previous page and then click Save. There, you can see that my new contact has been added to the list. If I click Edit next to the contact's name, the page changes and I can now see more information about my new contact, including email campaigns that I've sent to them and any events of mine that they've attended. The email status is very important. If it says active, it means they are able to receive email communications from me. If it says unsubscribed, it means they have opted out of receiving my emails. Once the contact is unsubscribed, you cannot change this field back to active. We've done this intentionally to prevent you from accidentally reactivating their account and violating the ACMA Spam Act. If the status says bounced, it means that you probably have a typo in their email address. You'll see how many times this email address is bounced by viewing this number. To correct this, simply edit the email address field and reset the status to active. Mail type lets you know whether your contact wants to receive HTML emails, which contain all of your images and fonts, or text emails, which only contain the text content of your emails. The SMS status works in the same way as the email status. Your contacts can reply to your SMS campaigns with the word STOP to remove themselves from your SMS list. And lastly, below this field is a complete list of your available subscription groups. The checked groups are those that your contact is subscribed to, and you can see the date they joined this group here. Let's go back to the previous page and have a closer look at the contacts list view. You've probably noticed that only a few fields are listed here, including your contact's first name and email address, but we can easily change what appears in this table by clicking Set Columns. Checking the boxes next to the fields we want to view, and then clicking Save. If you want to add a number of contacts to a subscription group, simply check the boxes next to the contacts you want to add. Click on Add to Group, then select the group you want to add them to. The reverse also applies. Choose your contacts, then click Remove from Group and choose the group you want to remove them from. You can also export your contact list to a comma-separated values file, or CSV file for short. This will allow you to import this data into Microsoft Excel or Outlook, or any other application that allows you to import CSV files. To do this, simply click on Export. Choose the data fields you want to export, then click Save. You can also search for a contact by clicking in the search field and typing in their email address or their first name, or both if you think this will help your search. The Advanced Search link gives you even more search options, which is particularly handy when you have a large number of contacts in your database. Well, that brings us to the end of this video tutorial. There are other videos in the knowledge base that will help you get the most out of the web console. In the meantime, thanks for watching.